Come test drive the 2021 Bronco. Ford Bronco. Interior comfort, traction abilities, overall weight balancing, pulling power. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, power windows, security system. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.